On, guys, it's been a while since I recorded a video. It's December 14th, December 13th, I don't even know. Been pretty busy, taking the responsibility of the controls department now, so a lot of exciting stuff, I guess, over the past couple of months. So it's about maybe low 50s here in San Antonio. Got a call I'm gonna go ahead to in New Braunfels on a unit that we had put in sometime back in May during the summer. It's not heating, it's a furnace. So take a look at it. Maybe the startup guys didn't test the heating or turn on the gas, or who knows, whatever it is. But take a look at it and I'll turn you guys back on. Everything's working just fine now. Check my common and my line connection over here from the pigtail. Those are right. Polarity is correct. Gas valve was on here. However, the shutoff was closed. So I'll turn that back on and let me know. It works.